A life of advocacy. Introducing Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey was a powerful advocate for social justice. He became a leader in the fight for equal rights for people of African descent. Garvey's message of black pride and self-reliance resonated deeply with millions. His activism helped to shape the civil rights movement in the United States and beyond. Garvey's life and work continue to inspire people around the world. He is remembered as a courageous and charismatic leader. Garvey dedicated his life to fighting for the freedom and dignity of all people. His legacy continues to remind us of the importance of fighting for justice and equality. Jamaican roots. Garvey's formative years. Marcus Garvey was born in St. Ann's Bay, Jamaica, on August 17, 1887. He grew up in a time of significant social and political change in Jamaica. The island was still under British colonial rule, and black Jamaicans faced widespread discrimination. Garvey's childhood experiences had a profound impact on his worldview. He witnessed firsthand the injustices faced by black people. This fueled his desire to fight for equality and justice. As a young man, Garvey worked as a printer and became involved in labor organizing. This experience taught him the importance of collective action and solidarity. It also exposed him to the ideas of Pan-Africanism, which advocated for the unity and upliftment of all people of African descent. These early experiences in Jamaica laid the foundation for Garvey's later activism. They instilled in him a deep sense of justice and a belief in the power of collective action. Garvey carried these values with him when he left Jamaica for the United States in 1910. Seeds of activism. Early influences on Garvey's ideology. Several key figures and movements influenced Marcus Garvey's developing ideology. Booker T. Washington, a prominent African-American educator and leader, advocated for black self-help and economic empowerment. This resonated with Garvey's own experiences and beliefs. The Pan-Africanist movement, championed by intellectuals such as Webb Du Bois, also significantly shaped Garvey's thinking. Pan-Africanism stressed the shared history and struggles of people of African descent worldwide. It called for unity and solidarity among them. Garvey's travels throughout Central America further exposed him to the harsh realities of racial discrimination and colonialism. He witnessed firsthand the exploitation of black workers on banana plantations. This experience deepened his commitment to fighting for social justice and equality. Through these influences, Garvey developed a distinct ideological perspective that emphasized black pride, self-reliance, and economic empowerment. He envisioned a united Africa free from colonial rule where black people could determine their own destiny. This vision would become central to his activism and message in the years to come. Journey to America. Garvey's arrival and early observations. In 1910, at the age of 23, Marcus Garvey left Jamaica for the United States. He arrived full of optimism and ambition, hoping to find greater opportunities for himself and his people. However, he was quickly confronted with the harsh realities of racism and segregation in America. Garvey settled in Harlem, New York City, which was rapidly becoming a center of black culture and intellectual life. He witnessed both the vibrancy and the struggles of the black community there. The discrimination and prejudice Garvey encountered in America fueled his activism. He was particularly struck by the lack of opportunities available to black people despite their contributions to American society. This fueled his desire to create an organization that would empower black people and fight for their rights. Garvey's early years in America were a time of exploration and observation. He immersed himself in the political and social landscape of black America, learning from other leaders and developing his own ideas about how to achieve liberation for his people. Section 5. A movement ignited the rise of the UNIA in America. In 1914, Marcus Garvey founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association, or UNIA, in Jamaica. However, it was in the United States that the organization truly flourished. The UNIA's message of black pride, self-reliance, and economic empowerment resonated deeply with many African Americans who were facing widespread discrimination and segregation. Under Garvey's charismatic leadership, the UNIA grew rapidly in the years following World War I. It established branches across the United States and in other parts of the world. The organization's message spread through its newspaper, The Negro World, and through Garvey's powerful speeches. The UNIA's success lay in its ability to mobilize and inspire black people. It provided a sense of community and purpose for many who felt marginalized and oppressed. The organization's emphasis on black self-help and economic independence also resonated deeply with those who had been denied opportunities in a racist society. Garvey's vision extended beyond the borders of the United States. He envisioned a global movement that would unite black people around the world and ultimately lead to the liberation of Africa from colonial rule. This Pan-Africanist vision was a core element of the UNIA's message and appeal. Section 6. Challenging injustice, Garvey's impact on the fight for civil rights. Marcus Garvey's activism had a profound impact on the fight for civil rights in the United States. While he did not initiate specific civil rights events, his message of black pride and self-reliance resonated with many African Americans and helped to lay the groundwork for future movements. Garvey's emphasis on black empowerment challenged the prevailing racial hierarchy of the time. He rejected the notion of black inferiority and instilled in his followers a sense of pride in their heritage and culture. The UNIA's economic initiatives, such as the Black Star Line Shipping Company, aimed to create economic opportunities for black people and reduce their dependence on white-owned businesses. Although these ventures ultimately faced challenges, they demonstrated Garvey's commitment to economic self-sufficiency as a means of achieving equality. Garvey's activism often brought him into conflict with the authorities. His message was seen as radical and subversive by some, and he faced constant surveillance and harassment from the FBI. However, this only seemed to strengthen his resolve and increase his popularity among his followers. Section 7. Beyond America, Garvey's global influence on Pan-Africanism. Marcus Garvey's influence extended far beyond the United States. His message of black pride and liberation resonated deeply with people of African descent around the world, particularly in the Caribbean and Africa, where many were struggling against colonial rule. Garvey's advocacy for Pan-Africanism, the idea of unity and solidarity among people of African descent worldwide, inspired movements for independence and self-determination across the African diaspora. The UNIA established branches in numerous countries, spreading Garvey's message and organizing support for his vision of a liberated Africa. Garvey's writings and speeches circulated widely, inspiring future generations of activists and leaders. While Garvey faced criticism from some quarters, his impact on the global Pan-Africanist movement is undeniable. He helped to popularize the idea of a united and independent Africa and inspired countless individuals to join the struggle against colonialism and racial oppression. Section 8. A legacy endures. Garvey's lasting impact on the civil rights movement. Marcus Garvey's legacy continues to inspire and influence the fight for social justice today. His message of black pride, self-reliance and economic empowerment remains relevant in the face of ongoing struggles for racial equality. Garvey's emphasis on black history and culture helped to lay the groundwork for the Black Power and Black Consciousness movements of the 1960s and 1970s. His ideas also influenced later generations of civil rights leaders, including Malcolm X and Martin Luther King Jr. Garvey's legacy is complex and multifaceted. While some of his views, particularly his support for racial separation, have been criticized, his overall contribution to the struggle for black liberation is undeniable. Today, Garvey is remembered as a visionary leader who challenged the status quo and inspired millions to fight for their rights. His message of hope and empowerment continues to resonate with those fighting for social justice around the world. Section 9. Conclusion. A visionary leader's enduring message. Marcus Garvey's life and work serve as a testament to the power of ideas and the importance of fighting for what you believe in. Despite facing constant opposition and adversity, he never wavered in his commitment to uplifting his people and achieving true equality. Garvey's message of black pride and self-reliance resonated deeply with millions of people around the world who were yearning for freedom and justice. He gave voice to the voiceless and inspired generations to fight for a better future. While Garvey's dream of a united and liberated Africa remains unfulfilled, his legacy continues to inspire those fighting for social justice and equality today. His message reminds us that we all have a role to play in creating a more just and equitable world. As we reflect on Garvey's life and work, we are reminded of the importance of courage, determination, and unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit to overcome even the most daunting challenges. His legacy serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who strive for a more just and equitable world.